Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So today's setup is a little different because after my last video where I tidied up my makeup, I rearranged my whole filming room, but you're actually getting to see my lifestyle. So comment below if you like it or not, but I don't know, I kind of dig it. Like, it's different. I like it. I like the messiness of it. But I also don't like that you can see the messiness of it, you know? Does that make sense? Anyways, comment below if you like it. If you hear any ring, it's because I have two space heaters going. Sorry, not sorry. I live in Ohio and it's freezing. In today's video, we are unbagging the Colourpop Mystery Bag. I ordered it. It was $25 and you get $55 worth of product, or like a little over $55 worth of product in it. So today I thought it would be fun to open it up and show you guys what I got. If you are interested to see what I got in my mystery bag, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so here's the mystery bag. Like I said, it was $25 on Colourpop. It was like one day. They only did it for one day. So if you missed the advertisement, sorry. I'm sure they'll do it again next year, or maybe they'll do it like biannually. There's a lot of makeup companies that do this though, and a lot of companies in general that do this. Sometimes it's for like the diehard fans, other times it's to like get new customers. I personally think that a mystery bag is a great way to introduce yourself to a brand. If you've never ordered from Colourpop, spending $25 to get $55 worth of product is a good way to introduce yourself to the brand. And so I think that if you're looking to like dip your feet into other brands, see if they have any like mystery boxes, or if they have any like sampler packs, or even sometimes value packs. I know that they're a little bit more money up front, but they give you a little bit more of a variety of products to try so that you can kind of get a taste of what like the whole brand is instead of just one product. Does that make sense? In my mind it makes sense. Okay, so this is the packaging. It is animal print on the outside. Super cute. So I have actually already opened this up, and so I already have taken a peek at all of the products that we're getting today. I'm actually wearing one of them. So we will get all into that. We got two cards in here. One is the Colourpop card. It just says New Year, New Colourpop 2019, and has all of their handles. And then the other one is a card describing their mascara launch, which is what I'm wearing today. I'm not wearing any lashes because I kind of want to see how the mascara wears on its own for the day, if that makes sense. There are 7 colors to choose from if you want like a close-up of the card. So that's like a before and after of the mascara, and I can tell you, like I said, I'm wearing it in this video today. It does not disappoint. It is $8 and it is the BFF mascara. It says it instantly volumizes, lifts, and lengthens lashes. She's with you from thin to thick. So this is the mascara. This is the box for the volumizing mascara. Honestly, Colourpop's packaging is so cute. This is the tube of mascara. Again, the packaging is consistent throughout with the hearts and stars and the BFF. This is the spoolie, very reminiscent of like a Better Than Sex or a L'Oreal Lash Paradise spoolie. I personally am a big fan of the big fluffy spoolies, but the hourglass shape, I will have to say, out of all the mascaras that I've tried, the Better Than Sex and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise spoolie, and now this BFF like hourglass shaped spoolie are my favorite. I'm wearing the mascara right now and today, and it does lengthen, I will say, and it does do a little bit of volumizing, but for sure I got some length on my lashes. Not wearing any false lashes with it because, again, I want to see how it wears. It says that it doesn't flake. It says that it is never flakes on you. So we will have to see. We'll have to see, Colourpop. So this is $8. $8 for a mascara isn't bad. Moving on, we got 3 eye products. So we got 2 Supershock Shadows, and we got them in Sequin and Party of 5. Let me open them up and show you. Alright, so this is Sequin and this is Party of 5. They're both ultra glitter shadows, and they're pretty neutral shades. They actually look so similar, but Sequin looks a little more gold than Party of 5. Party of 5 looks a little more like pinky. Let me swatch them. So Party of 5 is on the bottom and Sequin is on the top, and Sequin's a lot more gold, and like I said, Party of 5 is like a nice neutral but has a little bit of a pink to it. Definitely nice shadows. I will have to admit, when I first started using Colourpop, I did not like their Supershock Shadows because honestly, I didn't know how to use them. They confused me because they're like, here, I'll show you. So they're like a bouncy like texture. It's not like a cream, but it's not like a powder. It's like a Supershock shadow, and for the life of me, I didn't know how to use them, but I've ordered a few more and I've kind of experimented with different brushes and the different textures because they come in mattes, glitter, shimmer, all kinds of different kinds. And so I like started to experiment with them more with like different shades, and I will have to say there are quite a few that I'm like addicted to. And then the next eyeshadow that we got is a pressed powder shadow, and it's called Snake Eyes. Personally, if it were Snake Eyes to me, I think I would want it green. Like, wouldn't Snake Eyes be like yellow or green to you? I'm a big fan of Colourpop's pressed shadows. Big fan. I don't think I've ever found like single pressed shadows that I've liked more. They just blend and go on like a dream. They have such rich, wonderful colors. I just love them so much. So this is Snake Eyes. Let me swatch it. This is very similar to Sequin. I don't know, this is kind of like, again, a neutral shimmer. Can't go wrong with a neutral shimmer. But their pressed shadows, honestly, go on like a dream. Moving on, we got one Supershock Cheek. This is a highlighter. This is in the color Pinch Me. It is in like a holographic case. So this actually has like a pink tint to it. Alright, so it's actually more of like, if you can hear, let me show you, when you like rub your finger on it, it's actually more like white with like pink reflex. It's not showing up all that well. It's like an unbelievably subtle highlighter, but it's definitely pink. Maybe that's a little better. It's definitely got like pink in it. So it's one of their more like holographic highlighters, if that makes sense. Not disappointed, but I just don't know. Here, let me try and put it on right now. I need something to put this on with. See, that gives like such a much more subtle glow than I would think. Like, looking at this, I would be like really intimidated to use this. But then when you like apply it to the skin, it just kind of like melts in and like does its own thing. Pinch Me. I am surprised by you. Very surprised. Alright, and then in the last 4 items that we got in the mystery bag are 4 lip products. We got an ultra blotted lip, a lippy stick, an ultra glossy lip, and one of their Luxe lipsticks. So let's start with the ultra blotted lip, and this one is the color Doozy. It's like a nice reddish color. As far as I'm aware, the ultra blotted lips are supposed to be like a little bit more on the like translucent side. You know, like they're not supposed to be ultra full coverage like a matte lip, but like, I don't know, they're supposed to be like blotted. It says it in the title. Here's the ultra glossy lip. I really like Colourpop's glosses because not only are they like, do they feel extremely nourishing, but if you do get a specific color, they do generally show up really pigmented, which is really nice. This is in the color Champagne Mommy. Again, a nice neutral one. This would go great over a lot of lipsticks, or it could go by itself. I'm confused by the name because I thought it was Champagne Miami when I first got it, not Champagne M-A-M-I. That's mommy, right? Just making sure that we're all on the same page. Their lippy sticks, which I only have one of their lippy sticks, and it was whenever I used to get BeautyCon, when BeautyCon used to do beauty boxes. Not anymore. And this is Matte X Ziggy. Or Ziggy is the color, but they're just saying that it's matte. Oh, so that is definitely brown. It's like a reddish brown, but not in my wheelhouse of lip colors. But if you put the Champagne Mommy on top of it, I could definitely see that being, like a good combination. I don't know, Ziggy, that's gonna have to wear on me. And then last is the Colourpop Luxe lipsticks, and I've been wanting to try these for a while because everybody says they're like really creamy, and as I get older I want to get more into like bullet lipsticks. However, I feel like a lot of formulas out there are like, they're just old. Like, they make me feel old, you know? Like, I would much prefer to use like a tinted or a pigmented lip gloss versus a lipstick, but I want to use the lipstick. It's just none of the formulas are really like catching my eye. So this one is in Solo. I might wear this for Valentine's Day. Let me just show you, there are little stars on the actual lipstick itself. And I personally just think that that is a great attention to detail on Colourpop's part. I like whenever companies take the time to really make it their own, you know? Does that make sense? So that is the color Solo. That did go on really creamy. It's a lot more pink than I was expecting it to be. I thought that this was going to be a lot more of like a true red, but again, not disappointed. And all of these colors like go together, plus the eye colors go together, so definitely not disappointed with any of those products. Going back to the blotted lip, it's like a stain. I feel like I was having a hard time describing it, but after it dried down, it's like a matte like stain, if that makes sense, like a very pigmented stain. So that's it for the bag, but I also ordered one more thing off of their sale items to meet the free shipping, because of course. And I got one of their Jelly Much shadows. This one is in Morning Light, and I'm just really intrigued by these jelly shadows. They look really cool. So this is like the texture of it. It's a jelly, and that is Morning Light. So I just got like a really neutral pinky shade to kind of like start to do cut creases and stuff with it. This one is definitely more of like a peach with a purple reflect in it, if you could tell up close and personal. They're very shimmery. They're very like jelly. So I don't know if I'm going to like it, but I want to experiment with it because I like that they were innovative with like a new product and like a new formula, if you will. So I'm going to experiment with that. But that was everything I got in my Colourpop mystery bag, and honestly, not disappointed. We got 3 eyes, 1 cheek, 4 lips, and I got an extra eye. Not disappointed. Again, I think that this was a really great bag to like, if somebody was new and they were just introducing themselves to Colourpop, to like dip their toes in, because they gave you some of the favorites, they gave you some of like a variety of lips. Like, it was just a really great bag. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. That's the video, that's it. Living for this mascara. Tell me what you think about my lashes below. Do you have any favorite Colourpop items? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you think of my new setup down in the comment section below. Little nervous about it, but I don't know, it might grow on me. Maybe I'll return that cubicle thing. Maybe we'll just live with the mess. You know, maybe we'll just like grind through it together. I don't know. Let me know all of your thoughts down below. All of the products that I showed you from my mystery box or my mystery bag will be linked in the description box below, so if you are interested in looking into any of the items that I got from Colourpop, you can do that down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more reviews, tutorials, or unboxings / baggings. Thanks so much for watching, guys.